Hiya, have you built this 3 horsepower engine? Just put the exhaust on, and as I strip down this carburettor, it's got water in it. You can see that white stuff in there. And this is the float. The float needs unjamming. You can see. So that one is cleaning up. So that's not going to work like that. So it's completely stripped down on this. Give it a good clean, then I can put it on here. So I need to rebuild the car back up, but I'm stripping it down at the moment, so I'm going to give it a good clean. Yeah, not good, is it? So that will never run. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.